Translating the metabolic science of weight loss into actual results requires a concrete daily menu. Without a specific plan for what goes on the plate, even the best research remains abstract. Today, we are walking through a science-backed one-day eating routine designed to burn fat, maintain muscle mass, and stabilize your daytime energy levels. Before we start the clock, you only need two things to make this work: access to basic whole food groceries and a baseline understanding of your own daily caloric limit. By organizing these specific foods into a strict 24-hour timeline, we remove dietary guesswork. This schedule coordinates your meals with your circadian rhythm to prioritize fat burning. We begin the timeline at 8 a.m. After 8 hours of sleep, your body wakes up in a state of mild dehydration. Instead of reaching for a solid breakfast, your first step is to drink a large glass of water to rehydrate your internal systems. Next, you can have a cup of plain black coffee or green tea. The caffeine in these drinks serves two practical functions. It provides a mild metabolic boost and helps suppress appetite for the next few hours. You must drink this black. Adding milk or sugar will trigger an insulin response, which signals your body to stop burning stored fat and start processing incoming energy. Sticking to this liquid-only morning routine extends the fat-burning state initiated during your overnight sleep. At noon, it is time for your first solid meal. This plate is divided into 50% protein, 25% healthy fats, and 25% fiber. To fill these macros, eat 3 whole eggs, half an avocado, and a large handful of spinach. Notice there are no starchy carbohydrates on this plate. Leaving out bread or potatoes right now prevents a large spike in blood sugar. This combination of protein and fat gives your muscles essential amino acids while keeping your cognitive alertness steady, bypassing the midday crash entirely. We move the timeline forward to 4 p.m., a window when physical energy often begins to dip. For meal 2, eat a grilled chicken breast paired with 1 serving of either sweet potatoes or brown rice. This afternoon block is the strategic window to introduce complex carbohydrates into your system. These complex carbs provide the slow-releasing energy required to fuel a late afternoon workout, preventing the rapid sugar crash associated with simple snacks. Now we reach 7:30 p.m., the final eating window of the day. Meal 3 consists of salmon or a cut of lean beef, paired with green vegetables like broccoli. This lean protein is highly bioavailable, providing the building blocks for overnight muscle recovery. The high fiber content from the vegetables keeps digestion smooth, ensuring the meal is nutrient-dense without being heavy on your stomach before bed. Once the clock hits 8 p.m., all food consumption stops. The kitchen is closed. Halting food intake at this hour ensures your body directs its energy toward recovery rather than digestion during sleep. This helps shift your metabolism back into a fat-burning state by the time you wake up the following morning. This completes the full 24-hour dietary cycle. The routine relies on 3 pillars: high protein intake, controlled carbohydrate timing, and adherence to a chronological schedule. To apply this, scale the portion sizes of these proteins and carbs to match your specific personal calorie deficit. Applying this framework tomorrow morning begins the process of stabilizing your energy and recalibrating your body composition. With consistency, these daily habits form the foundation for sustainable fat loss.